Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Spectral AI Inc. Ticker symbol MDAI, a study enrollment and FDA marketing authorization play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. Before we begin, I want to remind you guys, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out IVP back on January 5th, January 9th, and January 18th, as well as pre-market on January 26th, before its parabolic run up 431%. We also called out CRBP pre-market on January 26th before its run up 359%. And we also called out ACON back on January 10th, January 12th, and pre-market January 26th before it ran up 153%. We are just made different. We're just made different. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Spectral AI Inc., ticker symbol MDAI, which is located in Dallas, Texas. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ medical device company with a $44.16 million market cap and 83 employees. Spectral AI Inc. is a company that uses artificial intelligence, AI technology. It specializes in creating tools for quickly and accurately diagnosing medical conditions, especially for wounds in patients with burns and diabetic foot ulcers. One of its main products is called Deep View, its own special imaging technology, which measures the size of burns and predicts how well a wound is healing. It gives doctors a clear and immediate idea of a wound's healing potential before deciding on any treatment. The company was founded in 2013. Now let's take a look at MDAI's most recent news. On January 11th, Spectral AI Inc. announced that they've started enrolling for a crucial study to confirm the effectiveness of Deep View AI. It is an important step before they are requesting permission from the FDA to market Deep View AI for treating burns, which they plan to do in 2025. The study will take place in burn centers and emergency departments across the United States and will involve both adults and children. According to the new CFO Peter M. Carlson's recent comments back in December 2023, Spectral AI plans to continue utilizing its $251 million of non-dilutive government funding since 2019 to validate Deep View for burn treatment, while aggressively advancing other clinical uses for Deep View, like diabetic foot ulcers. Now, the price action on MDAI stock was pushed upward 60% in after hours yesterday, which was Friday, January 26, 2024. And this could potentially keep the price moving upward next week if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. Now, on the recording of this video, Saturday, January 27th, 2024, the stock is now trading at $2.71. Undoubtedly, the recent news of Spectral AI's pivotal study in anticipation of an FDA authorization to market DeepView AI, and the fact that artificial intelligence is already a central element for this medical device, can move the price action upward for MDAI. Now, continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. And since MDAI is also an AI play, this could be very good news for the stock price as well. There has been a lot of AI news with the release of ChatGPT, massive earnings by NVIDIA, and companies like Microsoft and others getting into the AI field. Moreover, people like Elon Musk have also kept the AI conversation front and center in the media for many months now. As a result, a lot of AI-related microcap stocks that happen to be in the AI sector have gone parabolic. Two such stocks were pre-market picks in our private Discord. They were GSIT and CXAI, 2 days before and the morning prior to its monstrous run. We actually called CXAI in our private Discord on the evening of Wednesday, April the 12th, 2023 at $2.10. In 2 days, the stock hit a high of over $69. Now, that was a 3,400% move up from when we first alerted it. Now, will MDAI run parabolic again like CXAI? There's no way to know for sure. Only time will tell, but we will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, guys, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how we read those key levels, and how to use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Spectral AI Inc., MDAI, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the healthcare and AI sector, which is launching a critical study for its special imaging technology to gain FDA marketing authorization and has $251 million in non-dilutive government funding to further advance the treatment's uses. Now, I mentioned that the AI sector is very hot right now. MDAI is a company that we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will MDAI run parabolic? It will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice. We are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, but I will have MDAI on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.